The parrot who spoke, or Brahmin in Banaras once brought two parrot from a hunter who had catch them. The Brahmin treated them like his own children. The elder of them was Buddhista, the younger one was an extremely talkative, but he did not know what to say when and to whom to say it either, so he very often got into trouble. The Buddhista told him to be a sensible and quiet be and keep quiet, but the younger parrot never listened to any advice. The two parrot was later. The younger one was very disturbed by her behavior. He told he should talk to her and stop her. He will become more wicked if we don't, and the master asks us to look after her. All after all, the Buddhista sat calmly watching everything around him. He told his brother, "You must keep quiet, brother." But the younger one was impatient. In impatient, he felt he must advise the woman. So the next day, he asked her why she was doing wrong things. The woman was angry that the parrot dared to advise her, but she put on a sweet voice and face and called to him, "My dear little one, you are so right. Come to me." And the parrot, feeling proud that he had to change her. So line this line was also completed. So we turn the next we turn to go to next line. The Buddhista shook his head and watched his fleece bother dry. Sometime later the Brahmin returned. He asked the parrot asked the parrot what his wife had been doing in him absence. The parrot spoke quietly, "Master, the wise do not speak unless absolutely necessary, and they do not 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 and they do not talk of this, not speak unless absolutely necessary, and they do not talk of these things, not talk of these things which do not bring blessings. They only talk of acquaintances things. He added, "My brother is dead," and lines among those essay because he did not know when to be silent. I do not wish to leave her now. Goodbye, master, she said, and flew away. The Brahmin realized the wisdom of the Bud- wis- wisdom of the Buddhista